Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel, Daily Market Views. So as usual, I'm going to go through a list of tickers. Here is the list for tomorrow. Exhaustive list. We'll go through each of them, talk about their support, their resistance, their potential targets, any candlestick patterns, any breakout areas. Also, if there are any kind of option flows related to that, we'll just cross verify that. In case you have any questions for me, you can reach out to me on Twitter at Naval for you, and you can watch this recording on my YouTube channel, Navaldeep Sikka. Please do your due diligence before committing into any trade. Make sure you understand what you're doing first before executing anything. All right, so I'll not waste any more time. I'll jump onto the trades. So first is ES futures. So as you see that we spoke about 45.05 last time. Above 45.05, there's no resistance until 45.46. So it is simply following that pattern. Today it moved considerably, like throughout the day. Only in the last half an hour, 40 minutes, it gave up about 10 points, but still it's holding above 45.04 area. Now it is in positive momentum, and the support comes around 45.05, 45.08 area. It may not be that much bullish right now because there is resistance coming. So I would say the trend will be negative, not negative, but neutral. It needs to break out above 45, 46 for a bigger move towards 4,600. On the downside, it needs to break 45.05, test 44.84, which was the previous support as well. So it's in the neutral territory, and I'm not be surprised if tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, market doesn't move at all. It stalls because there's so much of big move happened today in majority of the bigger stocks. So I'm sure they will do some kind of stall somewhere here in this range because we are on all-time highs. The vacations are almost over. So people will come in now and they will start uh, understanding the risks which this market is going to undertake in the next couple of months. So we might see some volatility, but tomorrow and Wednesday, I'm expecting a stall or within this range. So neutral now. Above 45.05, its support is this, resistance is this, potential target is now moved towards 4,600. This is all now in neutral shade. Triple Q, like above 375, it rallied, and it rallied really strong. So there is 76, 56. It's like very small gap here, but it's still bullish. As I said last time, in order for QQQ to move up to 389, it would require bigger stocks. So today we had Apple making all-time highs, breaking out from inside weeks, Facebook making all-time highs, breaking out, Google making all-time highs, and even Tesla started moving up. So there is some push towards this. It is still positive. Again, because it has moved a lot, the support is still 375. So now it is positive. So anytime it stays above 374, 75, you can, I would say, buy near if you get an opportunity. Even here, buy near. Stop loss will be 374.57 itself. Target is 389. So we are almost 380 today. So if we get a dip, it should be bought into. Apple had an inside week and it had a wonderful breakout today. So 151 was kind of resistance. So from weekly breakout, boom, it went up. This is strong bullish candle and it had good volume. And once it break 150 area, there was no stopping. It was like buying, buying, and buying. Now it is near its long-term resistance, 154.45. So either it needs to break out of it, or you need to buy it around 151 area. So buy near, it's not above because it is already above, buy near 151.68. This should act as a stop loss now. Target is 154.45. And Apple is bullish. Amazon above 3384 today, almost tested 3463. So Amazon also positive. Breakout of it. Now the support will be 3384 and target is 346863. So again, buy near if you get, because I'm expecting market to stall. So buy near this and stop loss should be 3384. It has to fill the gap at 3500. So it is looking to do that. Facebook today rallied. So there is no negative impact on Amazon, Apple as of now. That's why I'm not even discussing that. Facebook broke above 378 area, this trend line, and closed above it. Now it should act as a support and looking for a target of 404. So I am pretty much bullish on Facebook. So buy near 378. Stop loss should be 377. Target is 404. First is it will try to break today's high, 381. 49. 4. Home Depot. Home Depot had a wonderful day today. You see, it's kind of consolidating in a range after bad numbers. It came down, it's making a pattern, and it's showing a bull flag here. And it's a multiple bull flags. So trend line is still up. The green line is hovering above the red line. It is moving toward resistance of 331, 334, but I'm sure because now if market has to move, all the Dow stocks will also move up. And also if I draw a parallel trend line joining the bottoms here, and let's consider this one. Yeah. So it tested this line previously in the channel, and now it has to test 334.35 area. So I'm bullish on Home Depot. Also, it had a good option flow also for 340, 12, 17, and these are all last minute, like 350, 350, 351. And the idea is somebody's buying at 845, 845, 845, 870, 880, 880, 885, 885, something going on up till 9. So within 10 minutes, the price went up of the option and there was rush to buy Home Depot. So I'm positive considering option flow in it as well. So I'm positive on Home Depot. Let's just check the target areas. Support should be 325. Target is 331 and 334. And you can buy it above 327. Palantir opened pretty well, but then gave up almost all the gains. But still, it is able to close above 2558 area, which is like pretty strong resistance for it in the last many months. So it is able to close back to back 2 days. So now if it kind of holds this 2558 area, it will bounce. But if it breaks, it can come down to test 2469. So 2558 is pretty strong support area. It should not be broken. If it breaks, it will give up everything. So if you're long, get out at 2558 if it breaks on 30-minute candle. So now PLK, I'm kind of neutral because I want to see if it holds. $25.58. 27.69. So this is again neutral. IWM like today faced the sellers. It could not breach 228. So if you want to trade on IWM, you should trade it because today after long term, the green line has taken over the red line, showing a positive intent. So anytime you get it around 225, you should be buying it, looking for a potential target of 228 and 230. So it's 226, 230. Yeah, this looks right. Snow had a previous inside day. And today it break down of the inside day and kind of close. So it's kind of created a piercing pattern if I create a 2-day window, 2-day candle. Right, 2-day candle, it's again making an inside 2-day candle. So anytime it breaks below now 280 or goes above 38, you should take a trade based on that. It's now inside 2-day, not 1-day, and 280. You need to take a trade based on that. So I'm just putting it in the yellow so that it's not looking positive. PayPal had a good move today, about 10 points up. Took the support, and it's like 2D candles, so bearish engulfing and then boom up. It needs to test 293 now. Let me go back to one candle. Bullish engulfing, and then through that, there's no gap here. It breaks up. Now 280 is a very good support. 284.78 is a good support. If it breaks down like 284.78, yes, that should be a good support area. If it breaks below, it will come down to 280, and 293 should be a potential target if you're going long on PayPal. So it's positive, and stop loss should be 284.8, and target will be 293. 293.85, 293.85. It's bullish, and you should buy it around 288 or buy near like stop loss. That's the best way. If you get 284.8, buy near this. Tesla finally broke up and tested 733. Now we should buy above 730. Finally, I'm positive. I don't need to have look into chart for this. Support is 726 now. And resistance is 733. I will not consider small resistance for Tesla. Let's go and check. 733 is first, then 745-ish, and then 7. I'm not even considering 733, 745, and 779. I'm fully positive on Tesla. Roku inside day. Roku has been consolidating all this time. The 1, 2, it's in a very tight range. And once like you fall from this and you're in a tight range, either you're getting ready for a big move upside or going to continue your downside momentum. So right now, till the moment it holds 355 area or 344, 45 area, till that moment, I am bullish on Roku. It should bounce. It needs to break this 363 area. Once it does, 390 is the target. But it's only above 363 that will confirm its positive momentum. So everything here is there as correct. Snap today tried to move, and it's making a good candlestick pattern 3, plus it's taking the baseline of 71.89 pretty strongly. Even tested today, breakout of the seller zones, and now it's looking positive. So 73.59 is your stop loss. If you're going long, look for a target of 78.48. So I'm pretty much bullish on Snap. Above this, stop loss should be 73.50. Target is 78.50. And again, I'm reiterating, tomorrow, Wednesday, market may stall. So that's why the prices here, which I'm recommending, they are lower than what the closing prices are for today. So if you get an opportunity, buy around those prices. Do not rush to buy or do not chase, because market will stall and that will give you an opportunity to come in. Square has been consolidating again, and finally it got the bull flag today. After bullish engulfing pattern, it's kind of breaking out of the sellers. Now it just need momentum. Anytime it goes above 275 or it comes around 267, 268, I think it's a good ticker to go long. 267 will be a good entry point. So I'm positive. Buy near 268. Stop loss will be 266. Target is 274. CrowdStrike has back to back. These patterns, there's a gap and there's a consistent gap between the candles and the EMA. I would not try to chase this because it has potential to come and test 278 or 263, because after a long up, it kind of made a dodgy here. Not a full-fledged, but the body is pretty small as compared to the VIX. So I would like to wait here. Would like to see if it comes down. 278 should be my first target, and 263 will be my good entry point. So I would be not going long. I'm not recommending a short, but the good entries are around 263. So I would say I am neutral, buy near 263, or let's say 278. Stop loss will be 278, and resistance, there's no resistance for it. And target is today's high, maybe 289. But again, like as I said, this is moved. This has moved pretty much in single direction last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions. I would think it will consolidate, it will come down. So buying around 263, 260 is a good area. I'll not even say buy around 263 is right. And 255. Yep. So that is it from me for today. In case you have any questions, please reach out to me regarding all the stickers and their values. And good night. Thanks for watching our video.